Data traffic in dense urban areas is causing many operators to consider adding small cells to the mix, but challenges remain concerning their large-scale deployment. We are here with Dimitris Mavrakis and Malik Kamal Sadi, both senior analysts with Informa, to discuss this topic. What do you see as the single greatest hindrance to small cell uptake for the next few years, and why?
In the context of an architecture that is designed for voice, to implement small cells within that architecture, it needs to some changes in the network topology. And for that reason, there will be a number of both technology challenges and also planning challenges. In terms of technology challenges, one of the biggest challenges is interference management, mainly when it comes to UMTS. So that is going to be a challenge for all players. But as to networks, move to the LTE access, so that challenge will be removed.
Another thing is that the way that small cells are deployed are very different than what operators are currently used to, and you can call this a cultural or emotional problem. And of course there are other technical issues, for example backhaul, delivering power to the small cell if it's on the side of a building, and generally the distributed nature of small cells may be a challenge for operators currently.
What is the value of multi-band and multi-mode small cells?
Well, I would say that there is a need for multi-mode and multi-technology small cells, since operators are not likely to invest significantly in a single mode or a single technology platform for any of their network equipment, since the equipment needs to be future-proof as possible. And even if you look from the device side, there are several flavors of devices out there, and as with everything, small cells need to support these devices as well.
Yeah, and again, if you think about small cells as an element of the networks, and current networks are multi-mode and multi-band. So in that context, small cell just needs to be also multi-mode and multi-band.
What are your opinions on Huawei's AtomCell solution?
Well, AtomCell is certainly a step in the right direction, and perhaps a very strong technology example in order to convince operators to go for small cells.
How AtomCell is differentiated from this product, that is the key question. So there are 4 elements of differentiation for AtomCells. The first one is the integration of Wi-Fi. So I haven't seen any other small cells coming with that capability. So AtomCells also provides flexibility in terms of both backhauling and flexibility for sighting, because the antenna is quite flexible to fit into different sighting environments. Okay, and in addition to that, you have all value-added services that could be easily integrated within AtomCells, and competition doesn't provide that capability so far.